Everyone, so today I'm going to be solving the chapter 1.1 geometry periodic quiz or course practice. So they give you 3 circles and 2 of these circles has a radius of 2 while the third has a radius of 4. We need to know the rules for major and minor arcs and for central angles for this quiz. It's really easy though. So let's read our options. First option is telling us minor arc AB is congruent to minor arc PR. So where is it? AB, this, is congruent to PR. We know that if you have two central angles that are in similar circles, so both circles have radiuses of 2, or radii of 2. If you have two circles with the same radius and their angles are equal for the arcs, then they are congruent. So this one is definitely correct. Now the second one is telling you minor arc LM, this thing, is congruent to LK. Two central arcs in the same circle are congruent always. So this one is right. Let's see next one. Minor arc AB congruent to LM. So AB and LM, they're the same angle, yeah, but the radius are different in both circles, so you cannot choose it. It's wrong. Then you have QR KL. Here's QR is here and KL is here. Then it's wrong. If they're in if they're in the different circles, like the big and the small ones, they're immediately wrong. QR, KL, we just said that. LM and RP. LM is here, RP is here, so no, they're wrong. And now you have BC to LK. BC is here, LK is here, so they are wrong. So let's go on to the next question. Okay. So if you have the measure of this arc to be 60, we know that if this is 60 and it's a central angle, which means it's at the it has the center as part of it, then this is gonna be equal to the measure of the angle. So this is 60. If this is 60, they're asking you what's the measure of BDA. So, wait, how is it? Yeah, sorry guys, I thought this was this was the correct answer. I was confused. So if this is 60, they're asking you what's the rest without the 60. We know that a whole circle is 360 degrees. If you have this part to be 60, subtract it from the whole circle, you get 300. And your answer should be 300. Let's see. It's 300, so you got it right. Now this question is asking us to find x. So in this shape, we need to do something. We need to draw a line connecting O and A. Once we drew this line, we know that this line is gonna be congruent to this line. Why? Because they're both radii in the same circle. Since they're both radii and they're both equal, makes it an isosceles triangle. So if it's an isosceles triangle and this base angle is 56, then this base angle must also be 56. And we know that a whole triangle is equal to 180. So let's add it. 56 plus 56. You're not allowed calculators in this exam, but you don't really need them. So 56 plus 56 is 112. And then when we subtract 112 from 180, you should get 68. And that's your final answer. That's how you find it. Now let's go on to the next part. Part B. So if you have, again, you have isosceles triangles. So it's here and here is equal because they're both radii in the same circle. So this is equal to this. So this is also 43. So if this is 43 and this is 43, you add them. 86, and then you subtract it from 180. So 180 minus 86 is 94. So that's what this angle is, which is the same as this one. Let's move on to the next part. This part is pretty easy when you know how to do it. So what I like doing here is finding the exterior angle of these. Then you can find, so first you have to calculate the exterior angle. We know that the exterior angle, so exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by the number of sides. We're gonna call it n. So this is a pentagon, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So 360 divided by 5 is gonna give you 72. So we know each exterior angle is 72. So this isn't 72, so this angle here is 72. If this angle here is 72, it means that this angle is also 72. So look, so if this is here, from here to here is 72, then here you'd have the rest of 72 from 180. So this angle, this part would be the rest, which is 180 minus 72. You're gonna get it to be 108, but we don't really care because these two are base angles and they're gonna be the same. So the sum of these two is gonna give you this. So this is you're gonna find it to be 72. Let me remove my annotation so I can show you. So again, this here is 72. So this angle, this part, would be 108. If this is 108 and it's split in half, each side would be 108 divided by 2, which is 54. So we know that. Can I make the screen bigger? Let me just make it bigger, it will be easier. So you have 72 here. And this all, I'm gonna double line it, is 108. So making each side 54, 54. And you know these are isosceles triangles, so this is 54. If this is 54 and this is 54, you need to find this part. When you do add these and subtract it from 180, you're gonna find this to be 72. So if this is 72, this is 72, this is 72, and so on. So if this is 72, then this arc here is also gonna be 72. That's it for this question. Let's move on to the next one. If the measure of the arc P is x, what's the value of x? So they want this arc over here. We said that if this is 50 and the whole circle is 360, 360 minus the 50 part is 310, which is the measure of your arc. Next question. The measure of UT, which is UT, is half a circle. We know that half a circle is a semicircle, and the semicircle is half of 360, which makes it 180 in this case. Or well, in all cases, half semicircle is 180 degrees. And the measure of RTU. So let me do it in another color. So RTU. So we know that this part is 40, and this part, we said that half a circle is 180. So if this is 180 and this is 40, 180 plus 40 is gonna give you 220. That's how you get this part. Now, next question. The measure of minor arc RQ. RQ. We know that there's linear pair, so if this is 50, this is 130. This is 130, so is RQ. So this is also 130 degrees. That's how you get this answer. Now you want the measure of PRQ. So PRQ is just this with this. And this makes up half a circle, which is 180. And like that, it's correct. Let's see if there's another part. There's no other part to this question. Next one. So, okay. So again, you want the measure of minor arc AB. So we know that if these and these are equal, because they're both radii. So if this is 46, then this should also be 46. If they're both 46, we need to find what's this angle. So 46 plus 46 is gonna give you 92. 180 minus 92 is gonna give you 88 for this one, so making this one also 88. Next question. So they're telling you the measure of the minor arc RT. So where is it? You have RT over here. They told you it's 40. The measure of TRV. So they want TRV. So this. If this is 40 and this is 60, add them. 40 plus 60 is 100. Now let's go on to the next one. Okay. So name the central angles with center O. Here you don't even need to look at the circle. You look at the options. Whenever you see an O in the middle, your answer is right, because they wanted center O, so you need to have an O in the middle. This one does not. This one does not. This one does not. These two have an O in the middle, so they are both right. And that's the end of this quiz. Hope you understood everything, and have a nice day. Bye.